Is my name, y'all. And she is Swadika. Hi, how are you, Swadika?
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Hopefully they're here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, y'all. We are at it again. Second abroad trip for the year. Probably won't be my last. My next one, I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna go, but probably gonna be somewhere for my birthday. Not quite sure. So stay put. Be along for this ride. You feel me? My shirt. Hmm. Y'all see that?
Wish you would just
Wear that.
focus on me. Can you focus on?
Right, y'all been in this is a tight space. I'm gonna freshen up a little bit and put on some what I call like some comfortable PJs. Because this is a 13-hour flight, and I want to be comfortable. I want to like it. As I was saying, this is a long flight, it's 13 hours. So I want to be comfortable. So I'm gonna change into just like some comfortable pants and my shirt, so I'm more comfortable. And then at least one my bra. Okay, so y'all can watch me get dressed up. Alright, y'all, so see, just black and black. Yeah, so you can see. And then I'm gonna put some sweatshirt on. Put my sweatshirt on. And then if I want to go to sleep, I can go to sleep. They are about to serve dinner, so that's a plus. I'm gonna be comfortable. I already have one glass of wine. I'm about to work on my second one. I was letting me eat off because they messed up my seat. They gave me a middle seat versus an out seat, which I paid for, and this is a full flight, so I'm trying to make the best out of it. I have several soft moments, but we're here now. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted on the food and how it is, all of that. I will show it to you. So let's go. Yeah. Oh, okay, y'all. The first meal is here. So they only had two choices, so you can only three. They got the chicken, the beef, or the pork, but it comes with several other sides. So I opted out for the beef. I don't do chicken really anymore. Oh, I don't do chicken anymore. So let me show you. I got the dinner roll. This is salmon and something. This is an okra salad, and then I have some udon noodles here. Of course, I got my red wine. Salad, and then the beef. That's what the beef looks like. So I'll let y'all know what it tastes like. Alright, got a little salad, a little ranch. No, it's a Thai. That's good. So let's see what else we got. I mean, don't eat that. This is an okra salad. Leg, some crab meat on it. It's not sweet. I don't think it's okra. I think it's some kind of fruit. It's okay, but not my cup of tea. Let's try the udon noodles. Look like it has cheese on it. And then it comes with a sauce. Just a little bit of that. It's cold. I don't know about cold noodles, but we're gonna try it. We're for the experiences. Not bad. That's not right. Not gonna eat the salmon, but yeah. Good. Alright, y'all, this is the last meal of the last flight. They have some fruit here. I don't know what this is. It's like eggs on top of something, with some peas and some, I must say that's smoked salmon. And then a little salad here with some corn, lettuce, carrots, and then I got the crab and shrimp over rice, some bok choy right there. So, and of course, I got me some wine. Let's see how this all tastes. That made if I ate something that broke me out. What is this? Let's see. Alright, y'all, I don't feel like getting my light out right now, so we'll just go for it. I'm not really that hungry, but I'm gonna taste it. It's pretty good. That's egg. I'm gonna stir this all up. Wish I had like some spicy sauce or something to go with it. It's pretty good. I'm gonna eat the rest of the salad and stuff. I probably will tackle the fruit though. Yeah, so I just made it to Japan. Headed to my gate right now. It says gate 69. 69. I would think that there will be a lot more to do right around this area, but the gate that we got dropped off at is near where I'm departed from to go to Bangkok. So yeah, I thought that I was gonna have time in Japan, but because when I was in Chicago, they had major delays. Like they was having like the weather outside, how hot it was. So I wasn't. Don't mind me, because I don't know what to look in this camera. So do I look this way or do I look this way? I don't know. But I'm just talking about it. Like I need to. Let's look this way. I don't know. But yeah. We didn't. By the time I got to Japan, the gate, we was near the same gate that we got dropped out at. And might have been there no more for like 40 minutes. That's good. Hopefully we'll have 4 hours in Japan. But it didn't even look like I could go anywhere outside the regular data area to explore anything. And that's the bummer because I wasted this time. That's the reason why I had a longer flight this time. So I could do that. But it's okay. So I'm already boarded. My last flight for the day. To be in Bangkok at 4:35. If it goes well, if we pull off on time here. Yeah, if not, then oh went. I did try, oh, see, where do I look? I did, I think I need to look this one. I did book a fast track to for my next once I land. So I did the fast track. I want to say the company is I think I want to butcher the company name, but I'll tell you the company name where they will meet me at my gate. They should have a sign up with my name on it. They would fast track me through immigration, as well as getting my bags, and then I have a as transportation wait for me. And I did it that way because I get there so early in the morning. I don't want to have to sit and wait on the grab, and really not know. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'll let you guys know if it's all the height is good enough to get, or should you get it. I did get a super discount online. I think I got like $30 off on the one that I picked with the transfer because I think initially it was $116, but I think I had like a percentage off and I had like $30 off. I had $15 cash on the app, which is on Trip Advisor, and then I had another $15 also at the end. I think I paid like $89, something like that. But I'll let you guys know if it's good. So, like I mentioned, I had planned to, and I didn't plan to, I reserved the fast track. So, let's see if they're already out here. I'm getting off the plane right now. So, let's see if they're already out. They're supposed to have, once I get to I think the something bridge, they're supposed to be waiting there for me. So, I guess once I get through this little area right here, they're supposed to help me, through customs and then with getting my bags, and then my transportation is already out front. Let's see. I'm coming out the bridge right now. There's stuff in here. I'm glad I put my hair up to this time. I'm gonna be looking for a sign that says my name. So we'll see. Here's my name, y'all. And she is Swadika. Hi, how are you, Swadika? Okay, I showed her what time it was. So let's see how long it takes. They're behind me. All right, we secured the bags. The only reason it took so long is because the conveyor belt stopped. We was waiting on, I don't know why, but the conveyor belt stopped. But it is now 4:52. And a lot of the people that were still on the plane, I haven't seen come through immigration yet. Pretty quick. It's my person. This is my tour person. One of the bags were heavy, but she wanted to get them herself, so we're moving now.